Lovely custom home on 1.5 acres just south of Jacksonville. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage home with pool and a flex space was built in 2016. Beautiful granite throughout. The open floor plan allows for an ease in either entertaining or everyday living. The kitchen is equipped with stainless appliances, stained cabinetry, island, and breakfast bar. The living area with gas fireplace and vaulted ceiling with inlaid wood is very spacious and has great windows. Wonderful utility room with pantry area. The master bedroom with ensuite bath is appointed with double sinks, separate shower and jetted tub, water closet, and large walk-in closet. The guest room has access to a full hall bath. An abundance of storage throughout. There is a flex space adjacent to the third stall of the garage/workshop. Both areas have mini splits. Originally a beauty shop, the flex space would make an excellent office or even an exercise space. Outside enjoy the gunite, saltwater, heated pool and the screened-in porch. Plus a storage building, sprinkler system, security system and a 500-gallon propane tank. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.